Random video is not to do with a dishwasher and it's not to do with a washing machine. And before you say, oh, you're showing how you're making tea. No, actually, I'm just going to show you how quickly this kettle boils. It's the Opti, where is it? Opti Vicky stainless steel kitchen series, and we're going to see how quickly more like this kettle boils. Oh, it's going to drop out of my hand. Then just drop it, because even though it's a stainless steel kettle, it's still quite vulnerable and can get damaged. And for all you wonder of how much lime scale's in it, there really is not much lime scale. And yes, it's a full-on stainless steel interior, unlike my Duronic, which is what would be plastic interior. Because this stone's getting annoying. That's all the water I need. Yeah, I knew how. The indicator is on. And the way it goes, I'm just going to get my things ready. So I'm not showing how I'm making it, I'm just getting my things ready for when I do. If you're wondering what tea bags I'm using Lipton tea bags. Never had them. I've been having Lipton for quite a while. That's hot. Yep, that's really hot. Steam's good. Ow! Yeah. Well, there's the steam. The indicator's just gone off, and yeah. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share if you want. And until next time, see you in the next video. Who knows, next video might be another random video. Who knows? But this was definitely just a random video. I felt like filming, so I just went ahead and filmed a kettle boiling. Yeah, and even if that is boring, it's at least a brand new upload for the channel. So yeah. See you guys in the next one, as I said. Bye bye.